cupboard to get her put on the bone. But when she got there, her cupboard was bare, and so the dog had nothing. She went to the baker's to buy him some bread. When she got back, the dog was dead. She went to the undertaker's to buy him a coffin. When she got back, the dog was laughing. She went to clean dish to get him some tripe. When she came back, he was smoking a pipe. She went to the hatter's to buy him a hat. When she came back, he was feeding the cat. She went to the barber's to buy him a wig. When she came back, he was dancing a jig. She went to the fruiter's to buy him some fruit. When she came back, he was playing the flute. She went to the tailor's to buy him a coat. When she came back, he was riding a goat. She went to the cobbler's to buy him some shoes. When she came back, he was reading the news. She went to the seamstress to buy him some linen. When she came back, the dog was spinning. She went to the poiser's to buy him some hose. When she came back, he was dressed in his clothes. The dame made a curtsy, the dog made a bow. Dame said, "Your servant," the dog said, "Bow, bow."